Hi guys, it's me Riya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all my current favorite skincare as well as makeup products that I've been absolutely loving. So if you're interested in knowing which those favorite products are, then please continue watching. So first let's start with some skincare and some body care products, and then we'll move on to the makeup products. So the first two skincare products are these are by Lotus Botanicals. So this one is the Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Brightening Face Wash, and you can see how much I've already used it up. And this one is the Lotus Vitamin C Skin Brightening Day Cream, and again this looks like this. I've already done a separate video about these products, and I have to be honest, I actually got this in PR, and it was basically a collaboration with Lotus Botanicals. So that is when I got the chance to try out these two products. But oh my god guys, ever since I have started using these two face wash as well as the brightening day cream, my skin has been, touch wood, doing really well. Okay, so these two actually do contain vitamin C, so it really helps in fading the spots, and if you have any sort of pigmentation and discoloration on your face, it really helps in doing that as well. And ever since I've started using these two products, touch wood, my skin has been doing really good. All the spots that I have on my face are slowly fading away. And also this day cream, it also contains SPF, so you don't really have, on days if you are adding another layer of SPF over this, it would be an added advantage, but sometimes you do feel a little lazy and stuff. So if you're not using any SPF over this also, then also it's perfect because it already contains SPF 25, so it's great for suitable enough for indoor protection as well. So on days when you do not feel like layering up another sunscreen on top of it, this alone would be good enough as well. But yeah, if you have seen my any previous videos, makeup videos, you might know that I have a very problematic skin. Like I do have a lot of pigmentation and spots around my mouth and stuff, which has also slowly started fading away ever since I've started using these two products. So I would highly recommend, if even you do have a lot of marks on your face or pigmentation, do give this combo a try. I'm sure you would also find a lot of improvement like I am finding in my skin. So yeah, this was my first recommendation. Second product that I've been absolutely loving and literally I'm obsessed with is this Nivea Deo Milk. This is the sensitive variant. There are 3 other variants in this body milk. Now if you know of me, if you've been following me from a while, you would probably know that I don't really like using those spray deos जो अपने आते हैं ना, just which you have to spray, because it tends to irritate my sensitive underarm skin and it also makes it a little darker. Okay, so mostly I was using like natural deodorants पहले, but ये है ना, I just suddenly on a whim I bought this one day. I had gone to a medical store to buy something and I saw this and I was like, चलो try करके देख लेते हैं. And oh my god, I've literally been obsessed ever since the day I've started using this. So this is like very gentle, very mild. At the same time, the fragrance of this one lasts really long. And जो मैंने लिया है वो sensitive version है, because मेरा थोड़ा सा skin darkening का issue होता है when I use other deodorants. But touch wood, ever since I've started using this, मुझे थोड़ा सा भी dark नहीं हुआ है मेरा underarms का skin. तो अगर आपको भी वो darkening की problem है, then I think you should definitely go with this sensitive variant. Okay, and इसका price है 225, which is very affordable I think. And I think Nykaa पे थोड़ा सा most of the times you get this at a discount also. So yeah, definitely do try this one out. The third product is this Enrituals cleansing balm. Again, this one was like a collaboration with Enrituals, but there are some products that you don't really know until you try them. ठीक है, ये वैसा एक product है, and this is literally the dupe of the Clinique cleansing balm. Not just a dupe, ठीक है guys, it's even better than the Clinique's cleansing balm. This one is for rupees 650, ठीक है, but it's already at a discount on Enrituals website. You can go and check that out. Again, इसका मैंने एक separate video already किया है. If you have not seen that, I'm going to be linking it up here. Complete demo के साथ मैंने इसके सारे benefits and everything I've already mentioned in that video, so you can go and check those that video out. But this is basically like my current favorite holy grail. Like आपको पता ही होगा, you know, I love using cleansing balms. तो मैंने इसके पहले क्लिनिक का यूज़ किया था, but that is very expensive, 3200 का था. So then I started using the Plum का, ठीक है. So Plum is also good enough, but उसमें थोड़ा सा एक ये है ना, slightly you will get a layer of oil on your skin. तो वो थोड़ा सा you have to like again wash it off with your, you know, double cleanse करना पड़ता है उसमें. बट ठीक है, वो भी अच्छा ही है. नॉट दैट आई एम सेइंग इट्स अ बैड प्रोडक्ट. प्लम का भी क्लेंजिंग बाम इज गुड इनफ. बट जब से मैंने ये स्टार्ट किया है ना, दिस इज लाइक एग्जैक्टली लाइक द क्लिनिक का क्लेंजिंग बाम, एंड अगेन वेरी अफोर्डेबल. तो मैं इतनी ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ ना इससे करंटली, एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. सो आई थिंक दिस इज डेफिनेटली अ मस्ट ट्राई. अगर आप कुछ ऑल्टरनेटिव डेफिनेटली ढूंढ रहे हो तो प्लीज़ गिव दिस वन अ गो. बहुत अमेजिंग है. इफ़ यू वांट टू सी अ कंप्लीट डेमो, तो ये वीडियो जो है इसको आप प्लीज़ चेकआउट कीजिए. इसमें मैंने आपको पूरा डिटेल में इसके बारे में बताया है. सो या दिस वाज माय नेक्स्ट रिकमेंडेशन. सो दोज वर ऑल द स्किन केयर एंड बॉडी केयर प्रोडक्ट्स. नाउ लेट्स गेट ऑन विथ मेकअप. तो मेकअप अगर मैं बोलूँ ना, तो मोस्टली आई थिंक ड्यूप्स मैंने ज़्यादा इस मंथ फाइंड आउट किए हैं. सो मोस्ट ऑफ दीज आर ब्यूटिफुल ड्यूप्स. ओके, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. जो एक ड्यूप नहीं है उससे मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ. सो दिस इज़ द एस ऑफ फेस फाउंडेशन स्टिक बाय शुगर, और इसमें जो मेरा शेड है वो है बॉर्जिया 47. ओके, तो ये फाउंडेशन स्टिक का मैंने ऑलरेडी पहले एक रिव्यू ऑलरेडी किया था, बट जब ये जस्ट लॉन्च हुआ था ना, तब मैंने ये वीडियो किया था. एंड एट दिस टाइम दे जस्ट हैड 4 or 5 शेड्स. और इस वीडियो में आपको दिखेगा कि ये जो पर्टिकुलर शेड मैंने इसमें यूज़ किया था, अमेरिकानो था, आई थिंक, आई एम अज्यूमिंग अमेरिकानो या कोई एक शेड था. वो बहुत ही ना ऑरेंजिश टोन्ड लग रहा था. बट recently they did launch quite a lot of shades in their foundation stick also, and I finally found my perfect shade match, which is Borgia. तो अगर आप भी NC43 के अराउंड है, then this particular shade Borgia looks perfect on us. Again इसका मुझे एक वीडियो करना है, okay, but I still have to do it. I'm planning to do it pretty soon. But this foundation stick by Sugar is definitely a must have if you love stick foundations. I think जो अपने drug store category में है ना, इस foundation मतलब the Sugar foundation stick has the best coverage. It literally gives you like a beautiful medium to almost a full coverage. Also आपको इसके साथ मिल सकता है if you layer it again. तो I would highly recommend you to try this foundation out. If you are between NC 42 and 43.5, then ये जो particular shade है Borgia will suit you perfectly. I am definitely planning a full review for this, as well as I'm going to be swatching all my foundations as well. But ये ना अभी आजकल बहुत बारिश होता है, तो you know light fluctuation की वजह से I'm not able to do, because foundation swatches में you need that perfect light, you know. That's why I'm not been able to do foundation reviews since quite a long time. But I'm definitely planning to do this. But yes, definitely this has been my current favorite as well. ये particular shade जब से मैंने लिया है, I've been wearing it non-stop. तो yeah, I'm also wearing it currently on my face. And you can see it's such a perfect match for me. तो yeah, again, if you are between NC 42 and 43.5, try this one shade out, Borgia, and I'm sure you're going to love it. अब बात करते हैं ड्यूप्स की. तो ड्यूप्स में जो पहला ड्यूप मैंने रिसेंटली डिस्कवर किया है इस दिस वन, स्विस ब्यूटी का मैट लिपस्टिक. ओके, एंड ये दिस इज़ द ड्यूप ऑफ द हुडा ब्यूटीज मैट लिपस्टिक्स. सो हुडा ब्यूटी तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा महंगा है, बट आई रिसेंटली फाउंड दिस वन आउट एंड इट्स सो अमेजिंग. इसका आप पिगमेंटेशन देखो, एक स्वाइप में इट गिव्स यू लाइक सुपर पिगमेंटेशन. बहुत अमेजिंग मैट है फॉर्मूला, एंड दिस वाज जस्ट फॉर अबाउट 199 रुपीज़ इफ़ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन. इसमें बहुत सारे शेड्स आते हैं. मैंने ऑलरेडी 2-3 और ऑर्डर कर दिया है बिकॉज आई रियली लव द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस लिपस्टिक. तो या दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट मेकअप प्रोडक्ट रिकमेंडेशन. डू गिव दिस अ गो इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर लाइक हुडा ब्यूटी मैट लिपस्टिक्स का ड्यूप, then this Swiss Beauty one is definitely the one for you. The next one is an eyeshadow palette, and this one is by Nika K. So I think most of the time this entire month I have literally used just this palette itself whenever I have to do a makeup look, क्योंकि you can do like a lot of variety of looks using this palette, and इसका pigmentation is really amazing. See, I'm just going to swatch a couple of shades for you. Look at the pigmentation, guys. This is the glitters ka, and I'm also going to show you mattes ka. This is the matte ka pigmentation. So the pigmentation of this is really great and very nice, and this was just for about I think 400 कुछ है. इस पे तो 599 है, but it's Amazon पे इसको काफ़ी डिस्काउंट पे I had seen, so you can check out the links that I've given below in the description box. But definitely if you're looking out for a good, affordable, beginner friendly makeup eyeshadow palette, then this is the one for you. Nika K ka eyeshadow palettes are really great. इसमें they do have like theme based also, like there's a green, there's a blue, तो आप चाहो तो कोई भी उसमें से आप buy कर सकते हो. But yeah, this one is my current obsession. This is the Autumn Spice colors, very warm colors, very beautiful colors, which I really liked. So yeah, do check this one out as well. And the last product is a set of makeup brushes. So again, this one was my recent discovery. This is again like a dupe नहीं बोल सकते हो, एक बोल सकते हो आप Zoeva brushes का बोलते हैं ना, कॉपी किया हुआ है ये लोग ने. तो इट कम्स इन दिस काइंड ऑफ अ पाउच, बहुत ही क्यूट लगता है. एंड तो इसके कुछ ब्रशेस मैंने रिसेंटली यूज़ किए हैं, एंड दोज आर रियली गुड. एंड दीज आर द 15 ब्रशेस दैट कम इन दिस पाउच. ठीक है, द क्वालिटी इज़ गुड. आई वुडेंट से इट्स एक्सीलेंट, बट इट्स डिसेंट इनफ एंड परफेक्ट इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर. तो दिस एंटायर ब्रश सेट कॉस्ट मी ओनली ₹300, which is so affordable because it does contain काफ़ी सारे आई मेकअप ब्रशेस है, एंड फेस मेकअप के लिए भी बहुत है. लाइक दिस इज़ द फाउंडेशन ब्रश दैट यू कैन सी हियर. दिस लाइक अ फ्लैट फाउंडेशन ब्रश. This one again here is a nice छोटू सा पाउडर ब्रश which you can even use for applying your blush. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे ब्यूटीफुल ब्रशेस है इसमें, एंड इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल एंड वेरी बिगिनर फ्रेंडली. तो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड, आप ज़रूर ट्राई करना. दिस इज़ नॉट द ओरिजिनल Zoeva ब्रश सेट, दिस इज़ अ डुप्लीकेट, बट इसका भी क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा है. एंड इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर, और अगर आपको लाइक बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल मेकअप ब्रशेस चाहिए, देन डेफिनेटली डू चेक दिस वन आउट. दिस वॉज ओनली फॉर ₹300, एंड यू गेट अ सेट ऑफ लाइक अपना face brushes as well as eye makeup brushes as well, which is perfect for beginners. So yeah, do check these out as well. So those were all my current favorite products which I'm absolutely loving. तो do check these products out. इसके सारे links मैंने आपको description में दे दिए हैं. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you did like this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I shall see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.